Can you fall in love with your home for the second time? Have you spent countless nights debating what to do with your rundown house? To buy new at great costs or renovate into a new modern home? Many homeowners face the dilemma of what to do with an old home that hasn't been touched for many decades. Do you renovate or just sell it as is? Leaving it in its current rundown state means having to deal with ongoing maintenance and health problems. The homeowners, initially planning to sell, fell in love with the new design after the renovation and chose to keep their property instead. They had a dated 3-bedroom house and decided to renovate it with the Renovation Team, led by James Goran. James transformed the home into a modern 4-bedroom property, significantly increasing its value. The extra bedroom served as a spare bedroom for their grandkids to stay. They moved and expanded the kitchen to become the hub of the house, creating a warm and inviting space for gatherings. By partnering with the Renovation Team, you can achieve similar results. The team's expertise can increase your property's value and transform it into a modern, high-value home. Contact the Renovation Team today and let's start transforming your home into a luxury home.